this is our Earth. Now, as you can see, there are no lines on our planet Earth. But for our convenience, we have drawn some lines on it. And among them, prime meridian is a very important line. And it divides the Earth into two equal halves. Now, on the eastern side is the eastern hemisphere, and on the western side is the western hemisphere. So, prime meridian divides the Earth into eastern and western hemisphere. Now, with prime meridian as the base, we have drawn some more lines for our convenience. Let's see what these lines are. Well, these are called longitudes. And they are drawn like this on the entire Earth. So you see, this is the western hemisphere, this is the eastern hemisphere, and these are all the different longitudes which have been drawn with prime meridian as the base. Now, since these lines are drawn with prime meridian as the base, so they are also called meridians. Now, these lines are drawn from north to south. So all these lines which you can see, they have been drawn from north to south direction, like this. So all these meridians are usually in the north-south direction. Apart from that, another important thing is that distance measured east or west of the prime meridian is what defines these meridians. So if we talk about any meridian is defined by its distance from the prime meridian, either in east direction or in the west direction. So you see, this is the prime meridian, and every meridian is defined by its distance from the prime meridian in the east direction or in the west direction. Now, another important thing is that all these meridians meet at the poles, and they are farthest apart at the equator. So if you see at the equator, the meridians are farthest apart and they join or meet at the poles. That is a very important characteristic of longitudes. Now, apart from that, all of them are equal in length. So every longitude or every meridian is equal in length. So every meridian starts from one pole and ends at the other, and as a result, all of them they are of equal lengths. Now, if we talk about these meridians or longitudes, how are they measured? Well, they are measured in degrees. So the prime meridian is at 0 degree, and if you move towards east, then you have 30 degree east, 60 degree east, 90 degree, 120 degree, 150 degree, and finally you have the 180 degree line, which is exact opposite to the prime meridian on the other side. So you see, all these lines are defined by degrees. So their distance from the prime meridian is measured in degrees, and also whether it is east or west also defines them. So while this line is 30 degree west of the prime meridian, this line is 30 degree east of the prime meridian. Similarly, all the meridians are numbered according to their distance from the prime meridian in degrees, and also depending on their direction, east or west of the prime meridian. Now, if we talk about all the meridians, well, you can draw any number of meridians from one pole to the other, but the meridians, so starting from 0 degree or the prime meridian, meridians drawn at 15 degree intervals on either sides are called standard meridians, and there are total of 24 standard meridians which are drawn in this manner. So prime meridian is at 0 degree and it is the first meridian. And then we have 24 standard meridians. So standard meridians are at 15-degree intervals. So all these 15-degree interval lines are the standard meridians. So together, all of them are called longitudes. So in the case of longitude, well, prime meridian is the line with whose respect all the other longitudes are drawn. And as a result, they are also called meridians. And they are measured on east and west side of the prime meridian in degrees. That is 30 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree and so on, both in the eastern and western sides, depending upon their distance from the prime meridian. So you see, so longitudes are very important imaginary lines which are drawn on the entire Earth's surface. And they can solve a number of problems for us, among which most important is that they help in locating any place on planet Earth in combination with latitudes. And also they have another important function, that is they divide the entire Earth into different time zones so that time can be better managed on the entire planet. So it is very important to know about the longitudes. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. You can also register for free at deltastep.com to get all learning resources as per ICSE, CBSE, IB, Cambridge or any other curriculum. Over 5,000 amazing lectures across maths, science, English and social science. Our unique interactive video technology keeps you engaged, and our iDictionary feature allows you to quickly revise any concept. Master each topic at your own pace with our adaptive practice technology and 1 million plus questions. Get instant answers and detailed solutions. Be exam ready by taking unlimited mock tests, performance analysis along with actionable feedback, personal tutors to resolve your slightest of doubts. That's not all. You also get amazing prizes like PlayStations, iPads, watches, and many more, along with certificates through our Earn As You Learn program. So at deltastep.com, learning is not just fun and easy, it's rewarding too. So register for free now.